Welcome to the al-dirassa YouTube channel, dedicated to teaching the Arabic language, the Holy Quran, and Islamic studies. Welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about the forms of the present tense in Arabic, which are expressions used to convey ongoing events. We will also review the different moods of the present tense. Part 1. Definition of present tense. Present tense forms are used to express actions that occur in the present or future, and they have several moods that show how the subject expresses the action. Part 2. Forms of present tense, raised present tense, al-modari' al-marfu', used to express regular actions. Example: he writes. هو يكتب. Mansub present tense, al-modari' al-mansub, used after certain tools like an, into, or len, not. Example: I want to write. أريد أن أكتب. مجزوم present tense, al-modari' al-majzum, used after jussive tools like lem, did not, or la, no. Example: he did not write. لم يكتب. Part 3. How to conjugate root and verb, al-jadhr wal-fi'l. Each present tense verb consists of a specific root and is conjugated based on the pronoun. Examples: يكتب, هو, تكتب, هي, أكتب, أنا. Part 4. Common mistakes. Avoid confusing the types of present tense. Ensure the correct use of appropriate tools. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Also, visit our website www.al-dirassa.com to learn more about the Arabic language and Islamic studies.